students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to see about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 29 series. So from the lesson of hydrocarbons, we are going to see the Friedel-Crafts reaction questions and also the aromatic directing groups questions. Okay, that means ortho, para, meta directing groups. No, we have studied in the 11th standard from the lesson of hydrocarbon that we are going to study today. Okay, so before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so let's go to the first question now. The question is, the aromatic compound of A, when the phenol react with zinc, readily involves with ethynyl chloride in the presence of catalyst B, gives the aromatic ketone. Okay, choose the catalyst B and compound A given below. So see this question clearly, that is the aromatic compound A when react with, that is phenol is react with zinc. Okay, they have given the two reaction here. If you see, when the phenol is react with zinc, then this compound is readily involves with ethynyl chloride in the presence of catalyst B. It gives the aromatic ketone. There are the two reaction given in the question, right? So the first reaction is when the phenol is react with zinc, you will get the compound of A. That we have to find out first, right? So then only you can able to find out the second reaction, the catalyst also. Okay, so catalyst B and compound A we have to choose from these option. Okay, from that we have to choose one option. Fine. So the first reaction is phenol is react with zinc. In the 11th standard we have studied the preparation of benzene. Okay, how we prepared the benzene in the hydrocarbon lesson we have studied, no? So how we have studied, that is the phenol is distilled with the zinc dust, the benzene is formed. It is a reduction reaction. We have seen, no? So see this image here. The phenol is I have taken here in the presence of, what is that, zinc. Okay, it is a reduction reaction. So phenol is reduced into benzene. Okay, so then the additional product will be like Z and O will be, you will get. Okay, so the main product is benzene. There is a reduction reaction. The phenol is reduced into benzene. Okay, so this is the compound A. Through this reaction we got the compound A. Then after that, the readily involves with the ethynyl chloride in the presence of B gives a aromatic ketone. That means is react with the ethynyl chloride. What does it mean? Ethynyl chloride means, you know that the other name is actually a acetyl chloride, right? Ethynyl means what it is? What it is? It is a acetyl chloride, no? So it reacts with the acetyl chloride in the presence of catalyst B gives a aromatic ketone. If it is acetyl chloride, what will be the this product? End product? It may be the acetyl, no? So acetophenone, right? Am I right? Acetophenone, acetomethone. We need to know that. So acetophenone, maybe the product should be the acetophenone. So if you see this reaction, you have heard that what it is reaction, it is a acylation, no? Acylation. Okay, so we have studied, no, Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene. The starting product is benzene and it react with the acetyl chloride. The end product also, what is that? Acetophenone. So the reaction is a acylation reaction. That means it is a Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene. Now we remember, no, it is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is the catalyst we will use for the Friedel-Crafts reaction? As you know, for the Friedel-Crafts reaction, for alkylation also, for acylation also, we will use the anhydrous. What is that? Anhydrous AlCl3, no? Right? So aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride we will use. See this reaction, you can able to remember, that is benzene ring we got through the first reaction. So benzene plus ethynyl chloride, that means it is acetyl chloride, CH3C double bond O Cl. The Cl will break and it will make a bond with first the AlCl4. Okay, you will get, then again the Cl is react with the hydrogen which is present in the benzene ring and the HCl will be eliminated, remaining the CH3C double bond O will be, okay, attached to the ortho position of benzene ring. So you will get finally the product of aromatic ketone. That is mean in the question they have mentioned aromatic ketone, that is acetophenone. There is additional product of HCl you will get. Okay, you know the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation, no? how will be the mechanism? It will be, you know that, right? So CH3 C double bond O Cl is react with AlCl3. What I said, the Cl is first react with AlCl3 and you will get AlCl4 first. Okay, then there is a bond cleavage, no, bond breakage between CH3 C double bond O. It will attach to the benzene ring. Okay, then again this Cl is break from the AlCl4. This Cl is react with the, which is present the hydrogen in the benzene ring, and the HCl will be eliminated, right? Minus HCl they have given here, so it is eliminated. Then the group is formed, that is, what is that? Acetophenone will be the final end product through this mechanism. Okay, so finally it is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction which we are using for the catalyst is anhydrous aluminum chloride. Got it? So what we have find out here, the compound A is, what is that? Compound A is phenol. No, compound A is, through this reaction phenol is react with zinc. It is a benzene, compound A, and also the catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. So the fourth option is a correct option for this particular question. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the second question now. Let's see. Okay, so why the OH group is more activating than OCH3 group when it is attached to the benzene? Okay, that means what? OH group is more activating group than OHCH3 group when it is attaching to the benzene, means when this OH is attached to benzene, it is called phenol, right? So then OCH3 when attached to benzene, what it is the name? It is, its name is the anisole. No, the common name is anisole, right? So see here, they have given a statement here according to this question. So we have to find out the correct statement from this below given option. So we have to choose one option here. So we have to find out the correct statement here. So what we have to see here, so OH group is why it is more activating than OCH3 group, right? When it is attached to the benzene. Phenol is more activating than anisole, why? So this is a question. So if you see here, so we know that ortho and para directing, that means in the introduction I have told, no, that aromatic activating directing groups, right? Aromatic directing groups, we know that is ortho, para and meta directing. Why it is called ortho and para directing groups? The substituents on groups are which directs the incoming group to ortho and para position. That means what? If you take phenol, okay, so if the second incoming group, no, the secondly the incoming group will come, no, Cl or B or any group will come as secondary. So this will, the first group, no, OH group will direct the incoming group to whether it is go to ortho position or whether it is go to para position. It will direct the position. Okay, so the substituents or groups which direct the incoming groups to go to the position, that means ortho or para position, that the group is called directors. That means it is the ortho or para directors, ortho or para directing group it is. Okay, so the groups are I have given here: CH3, C2H5, Cl and OH, B or OCH3, NH or NH2, NHCO, CH3. Okay, so these are the groups are ortho and para directing group as you have studied earlier, right? So about the meta directing group, see here the substituents or groups which directs the incoming group to meta position. Okay, the same way the groups are directing the secondary incoming group, no, to go to the meta position. This group is directing the secondary incoming group. Okay, that group will go to meta position. So the groups are I have given here: meta directing group, that is NO2 and CN and CHO, COOH, then COR, COOR, SO3H. These are the meta directing group. Okay, so if you see this groups in the ortho and para directing group, see here OH group is there, right? Here OCH3 is there. In the question they have mentioned here, the OH and OCH3 are, why this OH is more activating than OCH3? In the question they have given, no, right? So according to the question, if we go and check to the resonance structures of OH and this meta directing groups. Okay, if we check here, why it is ortho and para directing, the OH group is having the resonance structure. See here, you know the resonance structure, no, the lone pair will come here, so that only it has a double bond will come again. This bond will move here the ortho position, there is a electron density is more, so is donating a electron density to the resonance structure of benzene ring. The electron density is more in the benzene ring. Okay, so in the where the position is more here, see here the ortho position is more here, no, ortho and para position is more here, no, not the meta position is they have mentioned here. Only the electron density is more in the ortho position, here also para position, here also ortho position. Okay, okay, so that only it is ortho and para directing groups. About the meta position, I have given the example of NO2 resonance structure. If you see here also, it is electron withdrawing groups, it is electron donating, it's electron withdrawing. Here also in the meta position they have mentioned here, right? Two meta position resonance structure, if you can see, right? Two meta position, no. Okay, so that only it is a meta directing group. Okay, so this is the way the resonance structure will be for ortho and para directing. Okay, so come to the conclusion here. See, for OH group they are strongly activating group. Why? Because it is a electron donating group. We have seen in the resonance structure, no, it is a electron donating group. Electron density is more in the resonance structure because of the OH group is electron donating group. The extra electron around the oxygen, it can be shared the aromatic benzene ring, correct? The electron, no, lone pairs of the oxygen, it will donate the electron and share the electron to the benzene ring, correct? So benzene ring has a high electron density on ortho and para position. That also I have mentioned here. The ortho and para position only, they have a, what is that? The position is more in the ortho and para position only, no, not in the meta position. In the structure, if you can see, right? So then the last one is more electropositive group is attached to oxygen is hydrogen. OH, if you take OH, okay, in the oxygen is attached with the hydrogen, no, not carbon, correct? So the oxygen is attached with the carbon, the hydrogen is more electropositive. This compound is, this atom is attached to the oxygen atom, so that only this group is, OH group is more electropositive, so that only it is strongly activating group. Okay, so that only it is strongly activating. It is donating electron, it shared the electron to the benzene ring, it has a benzene has a more electron density on ortho para position, and it has a oxygen is attached to the more electropositive element of hydrogen, but it is oppositely for the OH3 OCH3 group, because it is more electronegative element is there, because the carbon oxygen bond is there, not oxygen and hydrogen bond. Here the carbon and oxygen bond is there. There is a steric repulsion of COH3 group of oxygen lone pair. COH3 group will repel because there is a steric hindrance in the group. Okay, hydrogen it won't have a steric hindrance, but here the CH3 group is, it is a bulk group, it has a steric hindrance. So steric repulsion is there on the, because of the oxygen also having a lone pair. Okay, so that only it has a less donating and less activating. Okay, because of the steric repulsion and electronegative, okay, more electronegative character, it has a less activating than OH group. Got it? So this is the way. So you can come to the conclusion. See this option here. Okay, so if you see this option, OH electron accepting group, because it has a less electron, it is more electropositive. In the third option, if you see OH electron is donating and benzene ring has a high electron density at oxygen and para position. So third option is a correct option for this question. Okay. Okay students, I think you have understood all the question and answer. Let's see in the next videos. Okay. Till that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah. Thank you.